Hi guys, welcome to another video by School of RPA. In this video, we are going to talk about RPA is coming and 5 ways to prepare for it. I'm Abhinav Sabharwal and I'm Principal Consultant and Trainer at School of RPA. And if you're new here, make sure to click subscribe button to get notified about our upcoming videos. Robotic Process Automation or RPA is a technology designed to automate business processes that are rule-based, structured, and repetitive, thereby freeing up people to focus on more value-adding business activities. RP is a part of a wider shift towards automation, amidst perfect storm of technology that encompasses AI, machine learning, big data, robotics, and Internet of Things. This move towards great automation will impact every industry. In fact, an analyst at Gartner have predicted that 85% of the large organizations will have deployed some form of RPA by 2022. And it's only a matter of time before RPA is routinely deployed in smaller and mid-sized firms too. So if you haven't yet considered the potential impact of RPA on your business, now is a good time to do so. In this video, we'll help you to get started. RPA, the 1 minute explainer. When we talk about RPA, we are not talking about the kind of robot that are common in manufacturing setting. RPA is all about software robots or software being deployed to carry out repetitive digital tasks such as capturing or inputting data. RPA is about minimizing the time spent on routine activities that are currently performed by humans. The idea is to improve productivity, reduce human error rates, and free people up to do higher value work that can't yet be performed by robots, such as solving more complex customer queries or developing big picture strategies. RPA shouldn't really be thought of as a new process. RPA is all about complementing or improving existing systems and applications, as they generally require little change in physical infrastructure. RPA procedures can be relatively cheap to implement, and the benefits of freeing up huge amount of staff time and reducing error rates can quickly outweigh the expenses. This is why RPA is often considered a quick win. But what does RPA look like in practice? We saw at the beginning of RPA in functions such as autocomplete used in web forms. But today, RPA tools have evolved into customer service chatbots that can deal with less complex customer queries and other applications. Now, these other applications include transferring paper forms to a digital system, inputting and processing insurance claims, processing credit card applications, inputting new customer data into CRM systems, scheduling client or patient appointments, answering simple and repetitive tech support queries, processing transactions, retrieving information from other digital systems, preparing your business for this key technology trend. As with everything related to technological change, business leaders can often be left scratching their heads, wondering how the new technology relates to their business and what practical steps they should take now to prepare. If you are in the same boat, I recommend following these 5 simple steps. Step 1, educate yourself. Education is a vital part of preparing for change. Luckily, we at School of RPA have many courses to teach you about RPA. These courses are categorized according to roles that needs to be filled in order to deploy RP, such as business analyst or implementation manager, with each one covering specific step of the journey towards RP. Step 2. Understand what types of processes can and cannot be automated. Typically, the most suitable task for RPA is to do busy work, meaning any work that involves great number of repetitive actions, such as opening and searching records, transferring data between digital locations, and repetitive mouse clicks. These sorts of tasks are prime candidates for automation. At the other end of the scale, jobs that involve creative thought and human decision making generally are not suitable for automation. Step 3. Narrow down to which tasks should be automated. Just because something can be automated doesn't mean it should be. Here you will find here you will need to identify which of all things it's possible to automate. Key priorities. I recommend focusing on those tasks that help organization achieve its overall aims, but currently consume a disproportionate amount of employees' time. It's usually a good idea to go for quick wins first, as these will help to establish usefulness of RPA while winning over the minds that may be resistant to the idea of reducing repetitive workload or fearful of what it could mean for job and organizational culture. Step 4. Research available solutions and tools. One of the best ways to deploy RP in your organization, you can begin researching the technologies that are available and potential partners you may need to work to create a successful deployment. You will also need to think about your existing technology infrastructure at this stage. For example, is it built in a way that will allow RP to be deployed on top of it? And what will your existing workforce need in order to capitalize fully on the time and opportunities that are unlocked for them? And fifth and last step, pick your RPA partner. Of all the solutions available, which one suits your needs best? When weighing up the different providers, look for those with a proven track record in your industry and those that can help you manage the human element of incoming change, as this will undoubtedly be critical element of the automation process. Robotic process automation is the number one technology trend that I have that I believe will transform our industry and society.
Guys, thank you for watching my video. We offer courses, RPA courses in Blue Prism, UiPath, Win Automation, and RPA Business Analyst Training. My number is on the screen, and if you like to do RPA training or learn one of the RPA tools like Blue Prism or UiPath, just give us a call or write to us. Call us and ask for our free career consultation. We offer online instructor-led training. So no matter where in the world you are, you can have personalized online training. We offer flexible timings that can be adjusted as per your convenience, which is great for working professionals. We help you achieve RP certification. We assist you with your resume and interview preparation, and we offer placement assistance. We keep on releasing new videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to watch our upcoming videos. Thank you and goodbye.